Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Netflix account cannot be used in this location. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. When you see the message Netflix account cannot be used in this location, it usually means Netflix has detected that you're trying to access this service from a country or region where your account isn't authorized to stream. So why this happens is Netflix licenses content by region. Your account may be tied to one country and you are trying to watch from somewhere else. Netflix blocks many VPNs or proxies that try to bypass regional restrictions. If you're traveling abroad, Netflix might restrict access depending on your subscription type. What you can do is disable VPN or proxy, turn off any VPN or proxy services, and try accessing Netflix again, and Netflix often blocks unknown VPN IP addresses. Then you can use Netflix in your home country. Netflix accounts are generally meant to be used primarily in the country where you signed up. If you're traveling temporarily, Netflix usually allows access to content libraries from that country, but sometimes access can be limited. You can also update your account settings. Some Netflix plans allow streaming in multiple countries. Check your plan details. If you have moved permanently to a new country, update your billing address and payment info on the Netflix to reflect your new location. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.